What if you could clone your voice in seconds or turn text into ultra-realistic speech that sounds just like a human? No fancy studio, no voice actors, just AI. This isn't the future. It's happening now with MiniMax Audio. MiniMax Audio is an advanced AI-powered platform that offers ultra-realistic text-to-speech capabilities in over 30 languages. Its latest speech-to model delivers 99% voice similarity, ensuring your synthesized speech sounds incredibly natural. Whether you're creating audiobooks, podcasts, or voiceovers, MiniMax handles up to 200 zero characters in a single input, making long-form content creation seamless. But that's not all. MiniMax also features instant voice cloning, replicate any voice with just a short audio sample. Plus, its voice isolator tool allows you to extract vocals from complex backgrounds effortlessly. Ready to elevate your audio content? Visit www.minimax.io audio and experience the future of voice generation today.